Good day class. Let's begin our today's English online class. Today we are going to go through exercise number 6.6 and in the heading we are having change the nouns in italics into their singular form, making other necessary changes and write the sentences in the space given. Okay, so let's start it. The children enjoyed the games in the fair. So we will mention here the child enjoyed the game कहाँ पर where in the fair means mela. The child enjoyed the game in the fair. Next is our heroes laid their lives for the country. So here we are talking about our heroes, more than one hero, but we have to convert it into singular form. So we will write our hero laid his life, there will be converted into his life for the country. It means हमारे हीरो ने देश के लिए अपना जीवन कुर्बान कर दिया. Similarly class, we will sort out all the sentences like this. At number 3 we are having the mice ran and entered their holes. Now the mice will become into singular case the mouse. The mouse ran and entered its hole. Next is women were driving the cows towards the grasslands. A woman was, verb will become was, driving a cow towards the grassland. Next is the watchmen guard our houses during the nights. The watchman guards our house during the night. हमारा घर during the night. Next is the doors of the vans opened and the prisoner ran into the forest. The door of the van opened and the prisoner, here we are talking about one prisoner means Kathy, and the prisoner ran into the forest. At number 7 we are having there are a beautiful temples in these valleys. So there is a beautiful temple in this valley. So these will convert in singular form this, and are will convert into is. At number 8, prayers are held in the churches on Sundays. So prayer is held in the church on Sunday. At number 9 we see these patients have problems with their teeth. This patient has problem with his tooth. Teeth will become tooth, singular, plural. Children should be given opportunities to prove their talents. A child should be given opportunities to prove his talent. There will become his because we are talking about a singular noun, a child. So class, let's start exercise number 6.7. It's again quite easy to go through. Give the feminine form of the following nouns. Now masculine form is given and you have to write the feminine one. Duke, duchess, priest, priestess, tiger, tigress, lord, lady, bull, cow, peacock, peahen, uncle, aunt, hero, heroine, giant, giantess, waiter, waitress. So this was your exercise number 6.7. Now let's move forward towards exercise number 6.8. Give the masculine form of the following nouns. Now feminine form is given and you have to write the masculine form. In back exercises also Here we have already read about these. Masculine to convert into feminine. As we did it later, host, hostess, Jew, Jewess, tutor, tutress, giant, giantess, and so on. Here waiter, waitress, and sometimes it can also be given as empress, emperor, huntress, hunter, and governess, governor, like this. So let's start it. Vicereine, viceroy, vixen, fox, landlady, landlord, niece, nephew. Some people pronunciate it as niece. This is niece, niece, nephew, nun, monk, and hen, cock, bee, drone, and witch, wizard, ewe, wren, and negress, negro. So class, this was your exercise number 6.8. Now here we are also having an interesting exercise, that is exercise number 6.9. Now you have to state the gender of each of the following nouns, whether they are masculine, feminine, common or neuter. So let's start. Here we are having cow. Cow, feminine. Bench, neuter, non-living है neuter. Emperor, masculine. Widow, feminine. Widow, a lady whose husband is no more. Widow, feminine. Teacher, कोई भी teacher हो सकता है, masculine भी और feminine भी, so it will relate to common. Driver, common. Flower, neuter. Salt, neuter. Princess, feminine. Pen, neuter, non-living thing है. Hunter, masculine, शिकारी. सुल्ताना, फेमिनिन. हेल्पर, कॉमन, कोई भी हेल्पर हो सकता है, फेमिनिन भी हो सकती है और मैस्कुलिन भी हो सकता है. सो चेयर, इट्स ऑल्सो नॉन लिविंग न्यूटर. नाउ लेट्स डू एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6.10 here. Rewrite the given sentences changing the gender of nouns and making other necessary changes. As we have done a lot of practice, now it will become easy for us. The mayoress of the town is a respectable lady. The mayor of the town is a respectable man. So you will write like this. Okay. Next is the milkman married a widow. The milkmaid, milkman will become milkmaid married a widower. Widow, widower. My landlady is an old woman. My landlord is an old man. Next is the woman took her husband to a doctor. Now we will write it. The man took his wife to a doctor. The man. Now we will write the word the man here. The man took his wife to a doctor. Next is the dog barked at the waiter. Yes. The bitch barked at the waitress. The bitch barked at the waitress. So you will mention the word waitress and at the place of dog, bitch. The hunter aimed at the lion. The huntress aimed at the lioness. Now hunter will become huntress and lion will become lioness. The huntress aimed at the lioness. Next is a widower is one who has lost his wife. A widow is one who has lost her husband. Okay. A fox took away the son of the washerman. A vixen took away the daughter of the washerwoman. Now you will see that fox will convert into vixen, son into daughter, and washerman into washerwoman. The grandfather gave his blessing to the bridegroom. The grandmother gave her blessings to the bride. Bridegroom dulha and bride is the dulhan. Next is at number 10 we are having the actor was praised for his acting. The actor was praised for his acting. The actress was praised for her acting. Now actor will come actress. It will become actress. The rest of the words will remain same and his will become her. Because here we are talking about feminine and here the nouns are given masculine. So class, this was your exercise number 6.10. I hope that these exercises are quite clear to you. I want you to go through them once again to give more explanation. Keep on learning, keep on exploring. Thank you to watch the video. Good.